Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials, the exact Google account address and any recovery phone or email, because Google will verify ownership. Once signed in on a trusted device, make sure you review subscriptions, drive, photos, and sync devices so you know what to save. Export any data now using Google Takeout if needed, and pause subscriptions. Otherwise, you could lose paid services. This first step prevents surprises later and gives you control before deletion proceeds. Once done with exports, go to your account's data and privacy area and choose Delete your Google account. This is where Google lists consequences. You'll re-authenticate, enter your password, and complete any two-step prompts, because this is a permanent action and requires proof. Carefully read the items Google highlights: lost emails, purchases, subscriptions, and device access. Make sure to revoke third-party app access and finalize backups before confirming, since recovery can be difficult after completion. You now reach the final confirmation screen. Read the summary slowly, because this is irreversible for personal accounts. Confirm deletion by checking required boxes and completing the final verification prompts. Google may send a confirmation email to your recovery address. After you confirm, some data is removed immediately, while other data may persist on backups for a short time. If something goes wrong, use the account recovery flow or provide identity verification. Make sure to act.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.